Storite 4-in-1 screen cleaning kit for laptops, mobiles, LCD, LED, computers and TV. It includes a soft reusable microfiber cloth that wipes cleanly without scratching your sensitive electronics. It is perfect for TVs, computer monitors, tablets, cell phones, digital cameras or any similar electronics with a screen. Clean your laptop screens, LCD screens and enjoy your work. It can be used to clean communication equipment, musical instruments or any other precision equipment. The cleaning cloth can remove dust, dirt, stains softly and quickly. Simply spray a moderate amount of the cleaner on the microfiber cloth and then gradually work the cloth across your screen in a circular motion. The cleaning liquid is great for all kinds of displays or electronic items. The screen cleaning microfiber cloth is perfectly polished for all types of surface and monitors.